Welcome to Home TV. Today we're going to be talking about exterior trends. So different types of stone colors, siding colors, roof colors. What's new in the building industry as far as exterior colors? If you're going to be building a home, you might want to check this out and get some ideas. The home behind me has got the newest of the newest stone and siding colors. The siding color is actually a custom color. We used a James Hardie cement board siding on this home, which you can actually do custom colors with. You can go to Sherwin-Williams, pick out a paint sample, and have the manufacturer, whomever it may be, ABC Supply out of Kenosha, Milwaukee, they've got different locations. Whoever supplies that siding should be able to have a company paint match, get you a sample, and then you can confirm, and it's a James Hardie cement board siding with a custom color. So that's what we did here on this house. The stone that we used on this house is really cool. It looks like a weathered wood, but it's actually stone, so you never have to stain it or maintain it. It's a little hard to see right now, but some of the stone on the house is a mixture of what I was just talking about. The rest of it is a new black stone by Boral. So we'll take a closer look at that. Come on. Okay, so here's an up-close shot of the new Dorado Stone that we used on this house. So parched wood is the name of the color, and it's a stone that looks like wood. I'll get you even a closer view of it, but it's a really cool product. Had a lot of people over the weekend taking a look at that, wondering what that was. And then down over here, you can see this is the black stone. This is made by Boral, and they're actually square pieces. It's called Profit. Alpine Profit is the name of the stone. And it's pretty black, it's pretty dark. I think if you're gonna do this stone, you probably wanna do something different for your limestone sill here, maybe something a little bit darker. The other cool thing that we're seeing on a lot of homes now are these black exteriors for the windows. The window company that we use is, well, the name of the window is Alliance. It's made by a company called Midway, and they can do some custom colors on the outside of the window, and they can pretty much do whatever grid pattern you want as well. So it really gives the house a really unique look. This one especially has got a lot of dark going on with it. So with the dark stone, the dark windows, dark trim around the windows, it really gives a pretty cool, modern, unique look. So this would be something, I guess, I don't know if I'd say it's trending, but maybe it will be. It's just an idea for you to do something a little bit different. Here's an up-close look at this new stone. And you seriously cannot even tell the difference between this and wood. I mean, it's got the graining in it, the knots. It's an incredible product. You could use this inside around fireplaces. So look at the dark wrap around the windows, the black exteriors, and we did what's called a 3-light window grid. So you've got 3 sections that are sectioned off in the top half, and then we didn't do anything in the bottom half. And then here's a glimpse at our custom siding color. We also went with a vertical siding for this house, just to do something a little bit different. So maybe instead of doing the shake siding, you could mix it up a little bit and do the vertical. And then here's a look at our Alpine Profit Blackstone. Again, if you do a black stone like this or a dark stone, you probably want these sills to be a little bit darker. Otherwise, it's too much of an accent. We even did that stone up on the dormer on the roof. So this house definitely has what I would consider a modern and unique feel to it. The shingles that we used are Owens Corning. They're a 40-year shingle, and driftwood is the name of the color. Here's a sample of that stone so you know exactly what it looks like. Dark Ridge Profit Alpine Ledge Stone. Here's the Parchwood Vintage Ranch by Dorado Stone. And they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more colors. I can show those to you in a future episode. Alrighty, on to the next house. Alright, so the next home we're going to take a look at has gray siding, white trim, and then black windows again. So the black windows are definitely something that's becoming a trend. To me, the black windows give a really rich look to the exterior. It makes the window look like a more expensive window. These are really nice windows that we use, but it makes them look even more high-end. So the windows that we use, they're Alliance windows made by a company called Midway, and they offer 5 or 6 different custom colors on the outside that you can do. And then lots of different grid patterns as well. The last house that we were at had the 3 vertical grids in the windows. This house actually has them running horizontally, which is kind of a cool look. So the siding that's on this house, this is definitely, I would say, a popular trending color theme would be gray siding and white trim. I don't see a lot of black windows mixed in there. A lot of times you'll see white windows, which also looks good, but the black just gives a nice touch, and it ties the roof in. So the roof here, this is an Owens Corning 30-year shingle. Onyx Black is the name of the color. So you got the black windows and the black roof that kind of tie in. You've got the gray siding, and this siding that we used here, it's James Hardie cement board. And there are other brands of cement board. So when you hear James Hardie, a lot of times you just assume that all cement board is clumped under James Hardie. It's not. They're not all created equal. James Hardie cement board siding, this color is called Night Gray. And it's kind of hard to see right now just because of how the sun's shining on it, but it does pull a little bit of blue. And some people like that. They like, another popular color right now are the blues, the dark blues. So you've got a mix of kind of bluish gray, and that's something that people like. The trim around the windows and the soffit and fascia is white. So you've got the gray trim, the white soffit and fascia, the black window, and then the stone. The stone's got gray, it's got whites, the gray mortar, it's got really dark, almost like brownish gray. So this stone goes really well with the siding color. And I actually like the little hints of orange in the stone. If you look at it from a little bit further away, it adds kind of a nice accent. So instead of just having everything on the house be gray and white, it throws in little warm touches of orange, which is kind of a cool feature. One really cool thing with this house, and it's kind of the you know, I guess the book cover to a house, is the entrance. So this entrance is really cool with the way that it's stone arch, got the big posts. I love this window wall. The window wall that's over here actually has the stairwell that goes upstairs and downstairs, but this right here gives the house its look. And there was a lot of reconfiguration going on with the windows, which is something that this window company, another cool feature that they offer, they can make windows in all different sizes. So we're not locked into just certain sizes. We had a lot of back and forth with these window sizes, and it ended up looking perfect. That'll do it for this house.